Hey, what's going on? Mike here. I wanted to show you my back office. You maybe answered one of my ads where you maybe a Craigslist ad or you saw an email from me or you saw one of my YouTube videos. Maybe you're a person that's looking for a way to make some additional income working from home. I've been in this space now for about 18 years. The last 15 years, I've been doing digital marketing, learning the skill set to be able to have freedom, be able to work from home, create a business, create an income for me and my family. So if you're that type of person, you're looking for a way to make extra income, you're looking for a way to have freedom and leverage and have something that's working on autopilot, then you might be interested in this. So let me just show you a couple things to show you that this is real. I'm going to first look in the back office of Digital Growth Community. And why do I like this product? Because I believe that what people are looking for in today's world is looking for something that will, number one, work, but also show them the skill set. If you're going to come into this industry, you're going to need some skills. This will map it out for the newbie, for anyone, maybe you're a seasoned professional as well. I mean, I'm pretty seasoned and I'm using this and I'm learning a ton of different things that we can use for marketing and to continue to, create and build my list and create revenue every day. But if you're brand new and you're looking for a way, then this is a great platform to start because it's real and it shows you what you need to do. So let's get into it a little bit. I want to show you the classroom, where if you click on this here, look at all the training that you have access to. Now, let's say you wanted to, number one, to get started, you have this right here. So it's going to walk you right through how to set everything up, the training. It's all there that you can do. But let's just say that you're looking for a way. You say, look, Mike, I need money. I want to look for a way to make money. You have a 90-day success sprinter. This will show you how to make income inside the next 90 days and a track to run on. Here's another, this one, if you want to make 30K in 90 days, where you could have a platform, show you how to do this. We'll show you how to do the marketing. We'll show you how to connect everything. We'll plug you into the community. We have access to it all. If you need, any tech help or you want to listen to replays, you want to look at the content vault. I mean, just look at this, for example, the 90-day legacy run. What you do. It's day one. It's going to walk you through step by step. What you're selling, how to make 30K in 90 days, abundance and ambition. I mean, it's all here showing you how to create an income working from home. Just by doing this alone can show you how to make $30,000, $60,000, $90,000 over the next 3, 6, 9 months and create leverage in your life and have something working. We're going to show you how to build lists. We're going to show you how to market. Everything is done step by step. We have a calendar. We'll just go back. We'll have a calendar here and we just show you on the calendar all the different training that you have, the free webinars where everything is mapped out for you all the way through. It goes month by month. Let's take a look at the members. The members, there's over 27,000 people, 27,181 as of this recording, that are in this community that are using this product. I'm using this product every day. My business partner is using it every day. It allows you to receive income through a merchant account. I can accept credit cards. I can accept PayPal. I can accept Zelle or Cash App. You can too. This is how this is set up. It's very, very user friendly. We have a lot of growth going on. We have great training. Going back to the community here, we have everything built inside of what you're looking for. Every day, Michelle will put out a different post to a community. You're going to have access to different ways of marketing. You can have access again to this classroom where you can learn all the different things that you would need to know on how to create an income working from home. You have, if you're social media, let's say maybe you're a social media person. You want to learn how to do Facebook marketing. We have it. You want to do TikTok. We have it. You want to do email marketing. We have it. You want to do Craigslist marketing. We have it. You want to do, mindset training. We have it. It's all here. I'm going to close it off in this. Why I think this is important for someone to learn this skill set, because you're selling something, you have the resale rights to this, you're selling a quality product, you're also learning in the process, you're also plugged into a great community on how everything works, so you have access to everything and you can create $900 days on and on and on and on. So I'm going to leave it here. If you want more information, you're going to have my information somewhere around here. There'll be a link. You can get in touch with me, get more information. But if you're looking to get started, just reach out to me and I'll get you going. Have a great day. Take care.